Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ivana and today I'm going to show you guys how to edit your nose / face on PicsArt. Basically, I'm going to show you how to get a nose job but virtually. So first step, you are going to go to beautify and then you're going to go to adjust and you're going to reshape your nose and figure of your face. So adjust your nose to your own liking / face or whatever parts of your body that you're readjusting, and make it to your own liking. Because of my circumstance where I have a big huge nose and I don't have money for a nose job, I just come on this app and reattach my nose because it's huge. So after I'm done with those touch-ups, I'm gonna go to beautify once again and go to hair color change, and I am just basically gonna change my hair color to black so it can look darker for my filter I'm gonna use at the end. So here I am still on beautify. I'm just gonna change my skin color to a darker tone for my filter. After that, this is optional, but I want to whiten up my teeth for my picture, so you're still on beautify, but you just go to retouch teeth and whiten them up. Last but not least, go to your original page and just pick the filter you want and change it up if you want, and after that you are done, and you can upload it on Instagram, Snapchat. Gives you options, and that's what I like, the flexibility that I have on this app. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you enjoyed it, and thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe. Bye bye.